Shorten English Junior, November 1985. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be with you here today to take part in the Silver Jubilee celebrations of this engineering college. After independence, our country has made good progress in all directions. In the field of education, there has been all round progress, but this was not the case when India was under British rule. We depended on imports of almost each and every item. We could not manufacture even pins and needles in this country. We imported them from other countries. But after we got freedom, we made sincere efforts and started manufacturing all these small things. We also built up big industries in our country. We are at the present time making a number of items required by a large number of people in their everyday life. During the last 15 years, the progress in this direction has been very satisfactory. Our idea is to make our country as self sufficient as possible. I do not say that we can prevent imports altogether. I would not be possible. In the world of today, we have to be interdependent. We have to seek the cooperation of other countries as much as possible. This is necessary in order to build up new ideas and new techniques. In the same manner, science is not something which could be called national. It is really international. It needs the cooperation and coordination of the whole world. However, it is important that our engineers should contact their research as far as possible with the use of our own raw materials. We must utilize our own resources. If we can do that, then we could produce cheaper goods. We have difficulties on foreign exchange in our country. Our position at the present time has become still more difficult. Of course, in a developing country, we have to depend on foreign loans and assistance, but in course of time, we have to earn our foreign exchange through our exports. We have to produce goods of quality. We must also produce goods which are cheaper in price in the world market. This is very necessary in order to increase our exports. I would like to request our engineers and scientists to bear in mind. They must develop techniques which would give us best quality goods as well as cheaper goods. I hope all of you will agree with my view. Letter dated 5th March 1981 from Mr. David, Bombay, to Mr. Johnson, Madras. Dear Sir, we have got a considerable amount of printing works with us. We hope that you will be in a position to undertake these works. In all probability, you will be getting regular monthly orders for a long period. We would like to have our prices for the printing works given in the enclosed list. We would in this connection like to request you to consider the possibility of installing modern printing machines in order to enable you to accept our orders. We would like to assure you in this connection that you will be getting regular orders from us from time to time. We shall be happy to have business connections with you for special reasons into which we need not enter at present. We shall therefore request you to kindly write to us in the matter as early as possible. Yours faithfully,